This is the $360,000 Alpine A110R Ultime. Yes, $360,000. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where Alpine is ready to kickstart its EV-only era. But before that happens, it has another surprise for fans of the A110 nameplate. The A110R Ultime debuted in Paris as a high-performance version of the sports coupe with a limited production of, you guessed it, 110 units and a eye-watering price tag. The A110R Ultime is a follow-up of the A110R that debuted around 2 years ago. The biggest upgrade was the boosted turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 345 horses, 257 kilowatts, 350 PS, and 420 newton meters, 310 pound-feet of torque. Now this represents an increase of 48 horsepower, 37 kilowatts, 50 PS, and 80 newton meters, 59 pound-feet compared to the A110R. Now the Ultime also features a new gearbox to handle the extra torque. You have an Akrapovic titanium exhaust, stronger brakes with AP Racing bi-material discs, and even sharper chassis setup with Öhlins adjustable dampers. Now, the automaker claims that the 0-100 kilometer or 0-62 sprint is completed in 3.8 seconds, 0.1 seconds faster with the help of launch control. Now, the revised aerodynamics are not only for show, as they generate 160 kilograms, 353 pounds of additional downforce at top speeds compared to the A110R Turini. Now, the A110R Ultime rides on a new set of forged wheels measuring 18 inches at the front and 19 inches at the rear, shod in sticky Michelin PS2 Cup tires. Now, another point of reference for the A110R Ultime is the highest level of personalizations in the Atelier and Atelier Sur-Mesure specifications. Now, the Atelier offers 27 color options for the exterior and 4 Alcantara shades for the interior alongside custom details. Now, the Atelier Sur-Mesure adds 9 more Alcantara flavors and 10 shades of leather with 3 finishing techniques: embroidery, embossing, and leather braiding. Now, with all this attention to detail, the Alpine A110R Ultime has an eye-watering price tag of 265,000 euros, $289,609, which is more than double the 105,000 euro, $114,536 of the A110R. But still, buyers who want to own the priciest Alpine ever can go for the pictured version, which you see here, the Bleue version, which has an ultra limited production of just 15 units, featuring handcrafted gradients on the exterior and leather wrapped interior for a staggering price of 330,000 euros or $360,561. So with that said, which one are you looking at here for Alpine when it comes to the A110R Ultime? Drop those comments down below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. But also make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.